Alright guys, we're taking it up with number 7. It says if f of x and g of x are given in the graph below, what is f minus g of 3? So the first thing I want you to realize is that f minus g of 3 is equal to f of 3 minus g of 3. Okay? And so all you have to do is you look at the graph. Keep in mind that when we look at this, this is x, and what it's equal to is y. Okay, so what this means is that you go to graph and you say, okay, so I'm going to look at the f of x graph right here, which is this one right here. I'm going to go to 3 and I'm going to see what it's equal to. Well, 3 is equal to 2, so f of 3 is 2. Okay, so note what I did there. All I did was I took where the x value of 3 is, and it's the corresponding y value. Okay? So that y value of 2, that's what the answer is going to be. Alright? Then you go to g of 3. So g of 3 is the straight line, and g of 3 is 3. So g of 3 is 3, and the answer is -1. It's as easy as that. So you have to go from a graph to an equation. It's actually, when you see that, you should get really happy. You're like, yeah, woohoo! Because the answer is very simple from there. Okay, let's look at the next one. F of g of 3. So what did I say when you see this? Well, you start with f of g of 3, and you're going to take just the inside, g of 3. So remember, when you see composite functions, this is called a composite function. When you see it, you start with the inside. So we take g of 3. So we learned earlier that g of 3 is 3. So now I have f of 3. Well, this is kind of redundant. F of 3 is 2. Okay, so again, from here earlier, f of 3 is 2. So this is now 2. Boom. Easy enough. 2 minutes of joy. Alright, we'll pick it up with number 9 in the next video.